I'm back. So today I'm going to talk about my helmet, the one I'm currently using right now. So the helmet that I have right now is the AGV K1 helmet. And I do want to talk about this actually. Now, is it a good helmet? Is it a bad helmet? What are the pros and cons about it? And all that kind of jazz. But first, we're going to Blackberry. Because I'm hungry, I want to make, so yeah. I'm too lazy to make my own because I don't have any eggs. And I don't feel like going to the store because I just got my bike up and going again because the radiator fans were not working. So yeah, that's that. Sadly, I'm just going by myself. I'm loving. I'm sorry. Yeah, a lot of people here for Monday. So we're at the park that is pretty noticeable. Trying to see this the camera. Oh, yeah, this one right here. Perfect. Okay, right there. There he is. Let's go in. My first time going into here, I was kind of like, oh, let's give this a try. And I like it. Be right back. Ah, that was delicious. Maybe what I had was eggs, pancakes, sausages, ham. Yummy. Alright, oh yeah, that's right. So, almost forgot. So we're going to talk about the K1 helmet, the good, the bad, the what to expect, and all that type of jazz. So overall, let's start with this first. Do I think the K1 is worth it? Let's go here. Yes. For a entry-level AGV helmet, that's like about $200. Okay, before you ask, why did I go with something like the Corsa? I'm definitely not going with the Pizza because the Pizza is like just race track only. It has no comfortable features. I see so much videos like, oh, you should have spent $1,000 on this helmet because oh, this and that. It's like it's a Corsa, or no, it's a Pizza. The AGV Pizza is definitely not made for the streets. But the Corsa is, so that's cool. But anyways, back to the K1 helmet. Now the K1 helmet, it's like I said before, it's an entry-level helmet from AGV. As you can see, I'm wearing. So why did they choose the K1 then out of like HJC, Arai, Shoei, or whatever the case may be? Well, that's simple because I forgot how loud this bike is. The reason is because, well, because I want to give it a try, see how AGV is, and of course I got kind of out of hand because I got Dainese gear on. I was like, oh, all about Dainese and AGV helmet, you're a stereotypical person with it. Yes, I know. But anyways, so it's such a $200 helmet. I like it. The things I do like about it, one, you can't see it, but underneath the chin, there's the I forgot what it's called, but it goes right underneath the chin, and that really helps a lot. I like that a lot. And it has these safety things for it too. When you get in the crash, and the arms are going to pull out for your cheek pads. For your cheek pads, there we go. You know, it does have some safety features to it. Now, it's not going to be like the most... Oh, I also forgot to mention that it is ECE certified. DOT and ECE certified. Now there's a lot of this, you know, things about like, oh, it's people say, oh, best go with snail or ECE only or whatever the case may be. Personally, I like ECE better. That's my honest opinion. If you don't know the difference, snail is more like for hard impacts, and ECE is like, snail harnesses are like usually heavier and all that, better protection, but ECE helmets are lighter and everything, but it'll be a lot easier for your neck, so that's why I got the ECE. Now then, there are a couple of annoying things I don't like about it. One of them is being the chin vent. Now it does have ventilation to the chin, but to activate to either to open and close it, you need to go like inside of the helmet where your mouth and flick for it, which is a fairly difficult thing for if you have gloves on. That's the one thing I really don't like about this helmet at all. This is one of the things. That's basically the most problematic I have with this helmet. But other than that, it's okay. Yeah, run a red fucking line. That's awesome, dude. They got sleepy. Anyway, so overall, that's the most worst thing about this helmet that I don't like at all. Now, in the back of the helmet, or actually, hold up, it has vents on the top too. Oh, you can't really see that. It has 3 vents on the top, just like with all the AGV helmets out there mostly. And of course, they're not the ones that are spring loaded, or the one that has this rubber things for it to that's a format. What was that doing there? It's not one of those things where, like I said, it's not spring activated, and nor is it the ones that you put these rubber grummets on. It's simply just opens and closes, and that's actually really nice, because if it's a spring activated, then that spring will get weakened and all that, which is really annoying. Now the cool thing about this helmet is that it does have a little spoiler to it too. Now I'm able to feel the hot air coming out from the helmet from the back end, from the back side, which is nice. Now I have very, very thick curly hair, and I can feel it perfectly fine. That's actually pretty nice. Yeah. Now for the helmet overall shape, does the spoiler actually helps? Now with this design, you know how it kind of like has a pointy end that kind of spreads around. Overall, your typical AGV shape of the helmet, especially for the front end. And yes, that does help a lot for me, at least, because most of my riding is on the freeway. Now I did put a GoPro right in front of my helmet, so that doesn't really help anymore. Now the spoiler does help for me too, because like I said, it helps stabilize the helmet a little better. Just a little bit, but I like it. Not only that, but it looks nice too. And of course, it doesn't come with a mirror visor. It only comes in with the clear visor. If you are planning to get like a aftermarket visor for it, I would recommend not going eBay, because you know they're pretty cheap and the tint will just wear off super easily. So I was just getting somewhere like from like a good website for specifically for these helmets. Yeah, they're expensive and everything, but it's well worth it, trust me. But other than that, do I think it's a good helmet? Yeah. For $200, it's a pretty decent helmet. It's not gonna be the best helmet out there, because it's an AGV helmet. But you know, it's one of those things that you get paid what you pay for. And I am thinking about going with Aurora helmets. Let's try it out. You know, see if I like it. What's going on there? You know, just to try it out and see if I like it or not, you know. tank bag. I was like, oh, the tank bag. Oh, wait, I forgot I left it at home. I miss riding this bike. Oh, my balls. I forgot about that. We're all going the same speed. We're all going 60. I'm not sure why you decided to want to slow down. Whoa, what is that? Oh, stretch full of leaves or whatever. I thought it was like some sort of animal. Like, what kind of animal is that? But no, it's just trash bag of leaves.